Meta Glasses Real-Time Translation Demo. With Meta Smart Glasses, real-time translation becomes hands-free and seamless. Simply say, "Hey Meta, translate this," and the built-in voice assistant starts listening. As someone speaks in a foreign language, the glasses transcribe and translate the words directly in your ear through audio, offering near instant understanding. Whether you're traveling abroad, dining in a foreign restaurant, or navigating multilingual conversations, these features helps break language barrier with ease. In this demo, we'll show you how it works in a real-life scenarios and how you can enable it through MetaView app settings, perfect for both everyday use and international adventures. And that's it.